Hello and welcome to the next episode of my channel where I'll be taking up the lesson Journey to the End of the Earth written by Tishani Doshi, in which she describes about the narrator's journey, that is Geoff Green's journey to the coldest continent, that is Antarctica. Now, Geoff Green boarded a Russian research ship called the Akademik Skolsky, and he started his journey from Madras, 13.09 degrees north of the equator in Madras, and in order to reach Antarctica, he had to cross 9 time zones, 6 checkpoints, 3 bodies of water, and at least 3 ecospheres. Now, the narrator also takes us back in history when he says that there was only one supercontinent called the Gondwana. During that time, the temperature was warmer. There were no human beings. The flora and fauna was high in number. But after dinosaurs became totally extinct, the age of mammals began, and the land mass, that is Gondwana, was forced to separate into countries as they exist today. The purpose of the visit to Antarctica was to know more about Antarctica, or in other words, to know more about the significance of the Cordilleran folds, the ozone, carbon, evolution, and extinction. Now the point is, when we have to know so much about the Earth, why should we go to Antarctica? Because Antarctica still remains untouched by human destruction. It is as it was hundreds of years back. Now, the most contested debate of our time is whether the West Antarctica ice sheet will melt entirely or not. If we want to study the Earth's past, present, and future, Antarctica, as I said, is the best place to go. Antarctica has a simple ecosystem and has no biodiversity. It is the perfect place to study how little changes in the environment can have big results. Scientists have warned that a further depletion of the ozone layer will affect the lives of the sea animals and birds of the region. It is also affecting the global carbon cycle. So from Antarctica, what do we see? That a small change can lead to huge effect. Because of global warming, the ice is melting in Antarctica, which can have a later effect, a drastic effect later on. So it shows how minor changes in the atmosphere can cause huge effect. If the global temperature keeps on increasing, the human race may be in grave danger. Now, earlier, Geoff Green used to take famous personalities to Antarctica. But then, later on, he thought that he should stop taking film stars and personalities to Antarctica because they will not do anything to improve the condition of the Earth. They will just go there, see things, and come back. So he started the Students on Ice program, which provides children ample opportunity to understand how global warming can be a big threat to human existence. It inculcates a new understanding in them. Geoff Green thought that high school students are the future policy makers, and they are the ones who are going to actively save the Earth. The author further gives us an example showing how small changes in atmosphere can be threatening. The microscopic phytoplanktons, that means very, very small plants, single-celled plants, they nourish the entire Southern Ocean's food chain. They use the sun's energy and they absorb carbon and supply oxygen. Any further depletion, any further decrease in the ozone layer may affect this functioning and indirectly affect the lives of all marine animals. Now, Geoff Green also narrates an exciting adventure or incident which took place during his journey. The ship got stuck because there was ice all around. It was not able to move. So they had to walk on the ice they got down from the ship and they had to walk on the ice in order to move further. There were 52 people and they were walking on a meter thick ice pack. Under the ice pack, there was 180 meters of living, breathing salt water, and they could see seals enjoying themselves in the sun on the ice. The narrator was wondering about the beauty of the place. He wished it would not become a warm place as it used to be millions of years ago, because if that happens, our end is near. So हम ये देखते हैं कि नरेटर एक रशियन शिप जिसका नाम अकादमिक्स पोलास्की है, उससे वो अंटार्कटिका की तरफ जाता है और अंटार्कटिका पहुंचने में उसे बहुत सारे टाइम जोन्स, चेक पॉइंट्स, वाटर बॉडीज कवर करना पड़ता है और वो हमें हिस्ट्री में पीछे लेके जाता है कि पहले एक सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट हुआ करता था जिसका नाम है गोंडवाना, लेकिन डायनासोर्स के अंत के बाद और बहुत सालों के बाद जब मैमल्स का आना शुरू हुआ, धीरे धीरे टेम्परेचर में भी चेंजेस आने लगी और वो सुपर कॉन्टिनेंट छोटे छोटे कंट्रीज में मूव हो गया ना। अंटार्कटिका जाने का एक ही कारण था, ताकि अर्थ के बारे में ज्यादा जान सके, उसके एवोल्यूशन, उसके एक्सटिंक्शन, उसके कॉर्डेलियन फॉल्स, ओजोन लेयर के बारे में जान सके ना। आज के जमाने में एक बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है डिबेट का, वो ये कि अगर वेस्ट अंटार्कटिका का सारा आइस मेल्ट हो जाता है तो क्या होगा। नाउ साइंटिस्ट ये कहते हैं कि अगर आपको दुनिया के बारे में पता करना है, उसके एवोल्यूशन के बारे में, अंटार्कटिका सबसे बेस्ट प्लेस है इसके लिए, बिकॉज अभी भी वो ह्यूमन डिस्ट्रक्शन से, डिस्टर्बेंस से बचा हुआ है। जियोफ ग्रीन जो कि हमारे नरेटर है, पहले फेमस पर्सनालिटीज को वहां लेकर जाते थे, फिर उन्हें लगा कि इनको ले जाने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता क्योंकि वो अर्थ को बचाने के लिए, इकोसिस्टम को बचाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे। तो वो स्टूडेंट्स को ले जाने लगे एक प्रोग्राम जिसका नाम स्टूडेंट्स ऑन आइस प्रोग्राम है। नाउ नरेटर ये भी बोलते हैं या साइंटिस्ट ये बोलते हैं कि अगर आपको ये पता करना है कि कैसे छोटी चीजें बड़ी चीजों को रिजल्ट करती हैं, तो अंटार्कटिका बेस्ट प्लेस है। वहां पे छोटे छोटे माइक्रोसेल्ड ऑर्गेनिजम्स है, प्लांट्स है जिसका नाम फाइटोप्लैंक्टन है, जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ले रहे हैं अपने अंदर, ऑक्सीजन रिलीज कर रहे हैं। लेकिन अगर ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ गया तो इस फूड चेन में भी चेंजेस आएगी, जिसके कारण बहुत बुरा हो सकता है। फिर जियोफ ग्रीन अपनी जर्नी का एक बहुत अहम किस्सा सुनाते हैं जिसमें उन्हें आइस पर चलना पड़ता है, मोटे से आइस पर, और नीचे पूरी नमक वाली पानी। वहां पे वो सील्स को आराम करते देखते हैं और उन्हें लगता है कि अंटार्कटिका अभी भी अनटच्ड है कोई भी डिस्ट्रक्शन से, और इसका टेम्परेचर वापस से पुराने टाइम के जैसा बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, वरना हमारा अंत नियर है। I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you for listening to me and please like my video. Thank you.